This is not how I woke up, but it's how I look now.
Hey, how do you think Downshift's going?
Holy shit. Oh, pretty good, mate. Big turnout. Why the fuck is everyone putting their foot on here?
Yeah, this is like a foot circle here.
It's trying to be different.
Yeah. Foot sesh.
Oh, hello.
Foot sesh. Ultimate flex. I can't do that,
You're
bro.
all not flexible.
Fucking hurt.
Oh, my leg. Oh, my hamstring.
Look at these socks, bro.
Damn. We are coming up to the rev battle now. This is gonna be big. I'm gonna try and record it to the best of my ability, but I don't know how well my microphone's gonna take this. Oh, wrong, Jacob. Oh boy, what are we in store for today? Sorry? Show us the switch.
No, you can't know yet. No one knows.
Come on, run, boy. Damn, we got an RX-7 over here. We got a horse.
I love it.
Who let him out of the stable? Oh, we got a Pontiac G8 or SS, I mean. We got a Toyota. It's a Toyota Helix Surf. We got a Supra over there. This is gonna be one hell of a rev battle, guys. This rev battle is gonna be mad. I'm so excited for it. And now we're gonna get right into the action and try not to blow up my microphone.
Alrighty. I'll come to you. Alright, what's your name? Joseph. Joseph, alright, Joseph. Let's hear it. Alright, give him a cheer before his rings go. Next one up, we have Devil WRX. Alrighty, and what's your name, mate?
Brandon.
So tell us about Devil WRX.
Oh, it started off with 2015 WRX.
So the car started off as another car and now it's this car, in case you missed that. Alrighty, so put it in neutral form and yeah, let's hear it, man. Alrighty, and what's your name, man?
Dylan.
Sorry about the window, Dylan. Did it come like that?
No, it's just jab car, that's why.
Just jab car. Alrighty. Well, I see a sneaky BR in there. Are you going to fire that up?
Yeah, because it's an A, why not?
Hell yeah, well, you've got to do something with it. Alrighty, so make sure it's in neutral for me, handbrake on. And so all those people behind the car there, as I said, it does have a BR in it, so yeah. May or may not work, and if it does, it's going to hurt. So, I like this guy. It's on you. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, go.
I was waiting for it.
Alrighty, so in park or neutral for me, handbrake on, and on the count of 3, man. 1, 2, 3, go. Bodie, all right. And so is it, right, no, another guy.
Hi guys, my name's Nicholas. Can you please follow my Instagram? _Gucci_Skyline. Thank you.
Why is it always the people that can't afford the brands that have it in their names? It's either broken or he's like really excited. So in neutral for me, handbrake on, let's hear it. Give him a cheer, he just broke it.
What?
Alrighty, who played already golf? Tell me about it. What's your name? Robbie. Robbie? R-A-B-I? Good stuff. I'm such a good speller. Alrighty, and tell me about the car, man. Stop.
He's not an officer, it's okay.
Yes, go. Muffler did. He pressed delete and the muffler disappeared. Alrighty, handbrake on. Go. You can do it, I believe in you. Alrighty, so tell us about tripping. What is your name for a start? Nicholas. Alright, Nicholas, and why is your car tripping? Even he doesn't know. Alrighty, no worries, man. So yeah, in the park on neutral for me. And let's hear what it's got. Go. What is your name? Naris? No, blank. Right, Tyrese. Alrighty, I'm not going to talk because I don't even need to. You just need to make noises with that engine. Make sure it's in neutral. Go. Clear that.
Alter, das ist Joker.
Nay.
And Horsehead, are you ready? Are you ready? Horsehead? Alrighty, I was not expecting that. Give him a cheer. Thank you, Antonio. Alright, so I won't waste any more time. Let's put it in neutral. I thought he was about to move me for a second. Alrighty. Go.
Bruh, this guy's got two steps. Do it.